Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glazenia. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Want to know the makeup secrets that beauty gurus swear by? Stick around because today I'm sharing 10 game-changing tips to elevate your makeup game. Prep is key. Step 1. The ultimate base. The ultimate base for makeup is the foundation of any flawless look, designed to enhance your natural beauty while providing a smooth, even canvas for the rest of your makeup. It starts with a high-quality primer to minimize pores, blur imperfections, and create a long-lasting effect. Tips for skincare: cleanse and exfoliate face. Use a hydrating moisturizer. Apply a primer to your skin. Step 2. Concealer secrets for a lifted look. Concealer is the secret weapon for achieving a lifted and youthful look when applied strategically. To create the illusion of lifted features, apply concealer in upward strokes in areas like the outer corners of the eyes, sides of the nose, and corners of the mouth. Use a shade slightly lighter than your foundation to brighten under-eye circles and highlight the high points of your face, such as the tops of the cheekbones and the bridge of the nose. Tips for concealer: apply under the eyes. Highlight the sides of the nose, chin, and center of forehead. Step 3. Foundation application. Foundation application is a crucial step in creating a flawless and even complexion. Start by prepping your skin with a moisturizer and primer to ensure a smooth base and long-lasting wear. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and type, whether it's liquid, powder, or cream. Tips for foundation: 1. Apply foundation with a brush or sponge. 2. Use matching foundation to undertones. Step 4. The power of contouring and highlighting. Contouring and highlighting are transformative techniques that enhance your facial features by adding dimension and structure. Contouring involves using a matte product in a shade slightly darker than your skin tone to create shadows, sculpt the face, and define areas like the cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Tips to contour and highlight: contour under the cheekbones, jawline, and nose for definition. Highlight points like cheekbones, brow bones, and the tip of the nose. Step 5. Eyes that pop. Eye makeup tips. Creating eyes that pop starts with the right eye makeup techniques to enhance your natural beauty. Use a combination of matte and shimmer shades to add depth, starting with a neutral base color and building dimension with darker tones in the crease. A touch of shimmer on the center of the lid or inner corners instantly brightens the eyes. Step 6. Brow perfection hacks. Achieving brow perfection is all about enhancing your natural shape while adding definition and balance to your face. Start by grooming your brows with a spoolie brush, combing the hairs upward to reveal their natural arch. Use a brow pencil, pomade, or powder to fill in sparse areas, following the direction of hair growth for a natural look. Tips for brow perfection: shape your brows with a pencil for a natural look. Use concealer to sharpen. Brow line for a clean effect. Step 7. Blush placement for a youthful glow. Blush placement is key to achieving a youthful, radiant glow that enhances your natural beauty. For a fresh and lifted look, apply blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it upward toward your temples in a sweeping motion. This technique mimics the natural flush of the skin, adding warmth and vibrancy to your face. Tips for applying blush: round faces. Apply higher on the cheekbones, oval faces. Sweep it on the apples of the cheeks. Step 8. Lipstick secrets for the perfect pout. Achieving the perfect pout with lipstick involves a few simple but effective secrets. Use a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade to outline and define your lips, slightly overlining for a fuller look if desired. Fill in the lips with the liner to create a long-lasting base. Then apply your lipstick with a brush or directly from the tube for precise application. Tips for lipstick: exfoliate lips. Apply lip liner, layer lipstick, blot and reapply. Step 9. Setting your makeup. Setting your makeup is the final step to ensure your look stays flawless and lasts all day. After completing your makeup, use a translucent setting powder to lock everything in place, focusing on areas prone to shine, like the T-zone. For a more natural or dewy finish, opt for a setting spray, misting it evenly over your face from a distance. Tips to set makeup: spray your face with a setting spray. Apply light dusting of translucent powder. Step 10. Bonus tip: makeup removal and skin recovery. At the end of the day, use a gentle makeup remover or cleansing balm to dissolve makeup, especially stubborn products like waterproof mascara or long-wear lipstick. Follow up with a mild cleanser to ensure your skin is thoroughly clean without stripping away its natural moisture. After cleansing, apply a hydrating toner or serum to restore balance and replenish your skin. Finish with a nourishing moisturizer or night cream to lock in hydration and support skin repair overnight. There you have it, 10 makeup secrets to transform your routine. Which tip was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty content.